Hi everyone, welcome aboard Bushy self-converted Fiat Ducato 2.3. What's the channel all about? Well, the channel's about travelling. We're going to go to places in the UK, hopefully out the UK. That would be superb. Travelling to places like France, brilliant, going through different villages. We also intend to highlight things like drone flying, DJI drone flying. We're going to incorporate some of the drone shots from where we visit. Places like Van Life, Van Fest, we're going to be visiting those, and we'd just like you to come along. Please support the channel. It is my channel, and we'd love your support. We'd love you to come along with us. We'd love you also to comment. Please comment. Make it nice, try to be nice, and we'll respond back. And just enjoy our channel. Come along with us. Enjoy it. Thanks ever so much.